Hello, hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Now at this time we are going to create our services page in WordPress. Mostly websites require the page, our services page in their site. Now we are going to discover the our services page for a website which made in WordPress. This is too much easy. Just you will be do within a minutes. Let's see how to manage and how to set this page settings. Go to your dashboard. I'm going to our website. This is our dashboard. Click on dashboard, click on pages. If you are have the our services page, that's great. If you have not, press the add new button and create the our services page. But at this time we have already our services page. We are going to edit with Elementor. You can make this a page using the edit or edit with Elementor. Both settings you will be managed very easily. I am going to enter the with Elementor because mostly our training with Elementor. No, this will be take a little bit of time. Please wait. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe our channel if you are like our channel. This is the old our logo show on the screen. Going to move ahead, move back, exit the dashboard, going to setting. This is the main Ocean WP setting. Press the logo and remove the logo. This will be at this time. No, this will be used for the current page logo, but we are now use the globalized logo that will be we are setting in the main of the website. At this time I am going to press the again edit button. This will be page load within few seconds. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel or press the bell icon. You will be notified if you are see here. This is too much easy. Now I am going to setting this because I am already we are setting this our site. I am going to show you this area. I am going to refresh our services page. I am going to refresh. You will be see there is this icon will be replace the current site. Why? We will be see again. This will be I think so we are not click on the update button. No problem. Then the next time we will be update this. Maybe this come from the cache of our website. At this time I am going to our services. This style will be we are used in the last is there our services. I am going to copy this setting because we are using the asymmetry for our website. Going to paste styles, all setting are shift to here, but at this time we are need to left align. I'm going to enter left align. Great design, great style is there. I'm going to add all services of our S&A Hardy's Vanilley Siding Ltd company. First of all their services I am written in my Word file. First of all their option is setting. I am going to copy and press here and paste here. This will be I'm going to press the Z. I enter here because all setting already shifted to here. Done. The next is hard plank. Paste here. Long bar siding. Place here. No custom woodworking. Copy and paste here. All my services I am paste here. You will be just watch and enjoy this video. Windows trim. This is also services of that company. Press the enter. Post is a services in the home used in Canadian Fenica trim. I'm going to add this Fenica trim here. You are going to add all, select all, going to set this services all. But I use this font design. I am select this, copy the style, move the style here, paste the style, done. All font setting are, all font families are, everything is shifted here, done, 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 done. But in the style I'm going to check the bullet style, any bullet style available here, typography, family, okay, family, okay, is there, decoration, transformation, no, content, done. Is there, I'm going to check another plugin available for bullets. I will see the manually. I think so, no available. This is at this time, this is the best for us. I'm going to press the update button. I need some setting more. Style, alignment, just text color, typography, size, okay, weight, this weight, okay, transformation, okay, style, no need more style, line height, okay, this is the, okay, this is the good, done. Press the update button. These are our services, but at this time this page is not a big page. I am going to add this thing to in our page. Press here, copy, and I'm going to try this for first time. Let's see what happened. Paste, image console, no problem. We are make copy, paste, done successfully. We are done successfully. Press the update button. All setting I think so moved here. Let's see what happened in our page. Press the refresh button in our services page. At this time we are at services page. Nothing updated, nothing shown. No, I'm going to our services page. Press the exit to dashboard. Going to update because we are removing logo last time. Press the update button, and again going to check the update. This may be come from cache of our system. Copy and paste again. No, this will be nothing show here. Maybe we are working on another services page, our services page. I'm going to right click here and check the this way because system, okay, that's great. Our services page, that's great. That's great. You will be see successfully we are create our services page. You can see on our screen. Done. You can make the easily this pages on your screen. Thanks for your watching. If you are like our video, please press the bell icon. If you will be notified by our new video to this training. Thanks for your watching.